Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel! I'm so excited to share to you for today's video that I finally have my SeaBank physical card after almost 2 weeks ng paghihintay. And it's finally here guys! Samahan niyo ako as I open my package and share to you kung ano nga ba ang mukha ng bagong SeaBank physical card. Now in case you're wondering how I was able to get my SeaBank physical card, simply go to the SeaBank app and tap on the Cards tab. Tap on Get Your Physical Card. Then, tap on Apply Now. Bago po kayo mag-avail ng physical card, make sure na may laman ang inyong SeaBank account dahil po may babayarang 160 pesos that will be debited from your account upon card order. After that, select the preferred name that will appear on your card from the recommended name selection. Select or add a different delivery address where you would like your card to be delivered. Take note that you may no longer change your delivery address after confirmation of order. Once you have confirmed your card and order details, tap on Confirm. Input your SeaBank secure PIN or password. Now, just a tip, you may track your order and delivery status by selecting View Details. And after ilang days nga ay dumating na ang aking SeaBank physical card. Kaya naman, let's open the package! Paalala lang guys na you need to present a valid government ID sa pag-claim ng inyong physical card dahil i-require po kayo ng rider. So yung courier guys is Ninja Van and nakalagay yung card sa loob ng orange envelope. Let's open this one. Ganito yung mukha niya guys. As you can see, nakalagay dito ang contact details ng SeaBank Philippines, pati na rin ang kanilang mga social media accounts. Dito sa upper part ng paper ay naka-indicate ang process on how you can activate your physical card. Pwede nyong iscan ang QR code or manually enter the activation code. And ito na ang physical card guys. Sobrang ganda. So, ang physical card nila ay MasterCard. And ito naman ang nakalagay sa lower part ng paper guys. Enjoy cashback on your purchases whether online or in-store. Keep track of all of your spend in one place. Zero bank markup fees on your overseas spend. And pay contactless in any store where MasterCard is accepted locally and overseas. Let's check the physical card. So, ganito yung mukha ng likod niya guys. Ito naman ang nakalagay na details doon sa pinagdikitan ng card. For enhanced security, your card details may only be viewed in the SeaBank app. Details such as card number, expiry date, and CVV number. Now let's try to activate the SeaBank physical card. Dito sa SeaBank app, just click on the Cards tab sa lower part. Click Activate Now, and yung pinili ko ay yung Enter Manually. After that ay i-enter nyo lang ang PIN nyo na ginagamit every time you open your SeaBank app. Naka-indicate din sa app na your 6-digit secure PIN is your default card PIN. After that ay magkakaroon lang ng facial verification. After ng facial verification, you're good to go. Pwede mo nang magamit ang iyong physical card and take advantage of the cashback promos. Gusto mo rin bang magkaroon ng SeaBank account and take advantage of its many benefits? You can get 50 pesos now by signing up with SeaBank using my referral code, or you can click my link on the description of this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel para laging maging updated sa ating mga future uploads. Bye, guys!